people, so here's me with makeup on both sides of my face, and I realized that I am better off without makeup. But here, this is this video for this little guy, and it's just so adorable. Yeah, when you have a pet in the house, it's calming like nothing else. And see, I it's like I'm all dressed up and nowhere to go really, but this is more since now I've realized, with all this lockdown and all, I mean, this phase, you should wear your nice sort of outfits at home also, because what happens is sometimes you're not used to wearing very did you know Suzanne Khan, the wearing very, snazzy jazzy outfits at home. I mean, even right down to wearing these sort of, what's it called, accessories. So no, Suzanne Khan, no, that's what, the interior designer, and the, my idol, she says she wears heels even in the house, which is really something, because heels is something that you can't really slip on and wear it, when you have to finally step out and wear. So I think this is an excellent tip to wear heels in the house. I don't know why I'm giving such random yarn today, but I don't know, this is one of these things I like doing, and it's been a good day for me, so I'm happy. So really people, it's crossed a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.